Making peanut butter or groundnut paste at home is very simple. All you need is one ingredient, which I have here, my groundnut or peanuts. So this is raw peanuts, which I'm going to be roasting on my own to make my peanut butter. I hope you stay along with me and see how easy this is to make. Come along and let's do this. This is a 4.5 pound bag of peanuts. I have 2 of those. I'm just going to split them onto my roasting pans, or baking sheets I should say, and then get them in the oven. So this is one. I'm gonna make another one here. I'm aiming at making a lot, so I just store it and use it as and when I need it. This has a lot of stains on it, but we'll definitely blow it later on. I have my oven preheated at 375 degrees and I'm going to start roasting my peanuts. This has cooked for like 35 minutes. It's almost perfectly roasted, but you want your peanut butter to have that beautiful golden color. So I'm going to let it sit for about another 5 minutes and then it will be done to come out. This one is doing beautifully as well. Very well roasted peanut. At this point you peel some of it, not everything. You want to leave some of it. Once you're done peeling as much of the skins of your peanuts as you want to go ahead and just blow those peeled skins of the peanuts so they are ready for blending. But please try not to blow air from your mouth onto it, especially in these times. And as my SS headmistress, Mrs. Proud, would say, keep your germs to yourself. You want to do as Mama is doing. This way you can blow as much of it off, or you could also use a blow dryer to get all these skins off. And then you'll be ready to blend your peanut. We're going to leave most of the skins on still and then blend. I'm using my blender, but you could also use a food processor to do this. Just make sure that you don't overwhelm your blender by putting too much in it. I did that on the second batch and it was just so hard for my blender to blend. So try to go about halfway and keep blending until you get your desired texture. Depending on the equipment you're using, you might end up having to do 2 or more cycles. The knot cycle on this blender is 1 full minute. I had to do about 3 cycles to make sure that I got my desired texture. And like I said, it depends on the amount that you have in the blender as well. Once you get your desired texture or consistency, you want to pour your peanut butter into a container, preferably an airtight one so that it stores for longer. I'm making a lot which is going to last me months, so definitely using a container that will preserve it. Yes, your peanut butter will be this liquid. It flows so easily, but it's going to thicken up and get a little bit harder as time goes on. Please don't put this much peanuts in your blender. You're just going to put too much stress on your appliance for no reason. Just do it in little batches. I actually had to take some off the top just so that the blender will just function as it's supposed to. You may need to scrape the sides of your blender to make sure that you don't have any chunks of peanut sitting on the corners, which will end up in your peanut butter when you pour. So just do that and then blend another cycle. So yes, family, this is how simple it is to make your own homemade peanut butter. This is all natural, no preservatives, no fillers, nothing. Just one ingredient, peanuts. This is perfect for your soups and sauces. Absolutely perfect in making your peanut butter and jelly sandwich or just peanut butter on your toast. So good. You know exactly what went into this one ingredient. You know the conditions under which it was made, which you can vouch for the ones that you buy on the market. So try this. I know you are going to love it. Now we have our peanut butter made, enough for weeks and months to come. Cover, store in your pantry, and use as needed. Now kindly give me a thumbs up and share. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.